guys, welcome back to Sync with Sarah. In today's video, I'll be upcycling some of my old clothes. So by upcycling I mean that I'll just take some of my old clothes that I don't wear anymore or I don't like anymore, and I'm gonna do some DIYs on them. I'm gonna stick some stuff and I'm gonna do it on a full outfit and make it look as cute and wearable as possible. But the only thing is that I haven't ever tried these experiments and hacks I'm gonna do on them, and they're mostly from Instagram Reels and YouTube. So this video could be a big fail, but let's see. I'm super excited to see if they will actually work. So I'm gonna do the DIY on a pair of old blue jeans, then an oversized top, and also I'm gonna be making my own jewelry from some things I had at home. First thing that I want to DIY are a pair of denim jeans. Now the main reasons that I don't wear them are: first, these jeans are very old and I've had them forever and I've worn them so many times, so I kind of want to change it up. Number two, these jeans are very dark and I'm not a fan of the color, so why not make it a little trendier? First idea I got was, why not bleach one side of my jeans, and that might change the color, because all over internet we see jeans and pants with like different colored legs. But keep in mind that because I'm taking dark blue jeans, my bleached part will most likely become light blue, but if you're taking light blue jeans, your bleached part will become white. I'm not going into detail of what all you need because I already explained it in a previous tie-dye video. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can check it out. But in short, you just need some bleach gloves, some tape to cover up the part that you don't want to bleach, some newspaper and some plastic to cover up your floor, and that's kind of all. Right now, I'm just soaking up my jeans with a lot of bleach. I'm done with bleaching and now I'm just going to leave my jeans out here for about 2 to 3 hours and then come and check on it later. I left my jeans outside for about 5 hours because I wanted the maximum change in color possible, because my jeans were already dark blue. But if your jeans are light blue, then it would take just about 2 hours for them to become completely white. And then I gave my jeans a quick wash and then let them dry. The next idea is actually really cool because you can transform your oversized top that you wear at home to a really cute crop top with an elastic, something you can wear outside. For this DIY, you need an oversized top. I've got this bright yellow one. Then you need some elastic. I've got a thin one, but you can also use a broad one. Then you need some needle and thread, but cloth glue would also do. Then I've got these stickers and patches, but I'm not sure if I'll use it. Then I've got a cloth marker. I've just got this to make my work easier, but if you don't have it, it's cool. And then you just need some scissors. Cut up your t-shirt to make it a crop top to a length you're comfortable in, and don't forget to leave 2 extra inches because we will be folding it later for the elastic to go in. And now I'm just marking it so I can cut it up easily. Quick tip for y'all: if you don't know how to sew, it's completely alright. You can use cloth glue. Cloth glue would work as perfectly as sewing would, but sewing would make it a little more neater. But nobody really cares. I would have used glue as well, but I didn't have it at home, so I had to take my mom's help. So fold 2 inches and start sewing up or apply some cloth glue. Guys, don't sew up all the sides completely because you need a little opening at the end for the elastic to go in through, and you would need to take a safety pin's help to do that. But before that, you need to measure up your elastic around your waist, and don't cinch in too much because you'll need to glue it up, tie it up, or sew it up in the end. So keep some extra length in hand and then cut it up. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to put in your elastic through the small hole that you've got. So first, pin your safety pin to your elastic and just put it in through the hole and follow the steps that I'm doing. So now take out your safety pin and tie up or sew up the ends of the elastic, and your top is pretty much done. So I found this iron-on patch really cute, so I'm going to try to stick it on my t-shirt. So all you need to do is take an extra piece of cloth, put it on top of your patch and then iron it properly. And it's done, and now it won't come off, and it was super simple and looks awesome. I am so excited for the next idea because I'm going to make my own jewelry. So all over internet, the funky, beady jewelry is in trend. So I thought, why not make your own? Because everybody has beads. I mean, if you're in school, you've got beads. If you have younger siblings, you must have beads and those funky ball things. And you might not have elastic at home, but you'll get it in any art and craft store near your house. And that's it. That's all you need. So I found this really thin elastic in my mom's cupboard. It's stretchable as well. So I have these really colorful beads, and these are the ones that are actually in. I've gotten every color. Whoops. Let's get started. I am so impressed with all that we made. So my sisters helped me out as well. So we made 3 neck pieces and we've made 3 bracelets as well, which are so amazing. I know I'm going to wear all of these again and again. And with all of these, we've also made 2 really cute finger rings. And here is the final upcycle result. Guys, these hacks and DIYs are super duper easy, although it took me a little longer because I was filming along with doing everything else. But I would suggest you guys try these hacks to make your old clothes look trendier. And that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, because I totally did. It was so much fun for me to make the top, bleach the jeans, and especially making the jewelry. And I think I'm totally doing this again. But anyways, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share. Bye.